bro. We in the A with it, man.
I was at the Marriott smoking Black Mile in the elevator. Some niggas made fucked up decisions where no man can save them. Everybody know me round my way, I'm a bonafide gangster, gunslinger. I let it all broad day, them niggas were pointing fingers. What the fuck I look like?
Who thought that bitch on 30 on the dot, nigga?
You think you him?
I am him. Niggas always hit 30-01, 30-02.
Nah, he only had 30 in his account. How much you gonna fill you up, bro?
40.
40?
Put a little 40 mile on there. It probably start whenever it start, really.
What you at right now?
Shit, almost a half. That shit like 59 miles.
59? That ain't bad, though. What the fuck?
Ain't no way, nigga. That's like a quarter of a tank, nigga. What the fuck?
Today.
Oh, hell no.
That bitch down there half, on God.
They said 59.
Wait, what the fuck?
How much fill you up?
65. 65. Fill up 65 for sure.
Big ass boat, nigga. How much fill you up, bro?
To fill up?
Okay,
Yeah.
put that bitch on.
I like 60 something.
60, and your shit 59? What the fuck?
I'm finna cut it off.
Hey, make sure that be recorded, bro. Make sure it's recorded.
We got some loose ass pants on, nigga. These vlogs, oh my. Bro, this vlog finna go crazy. I ain't gonna lie, bro. I'm coming with y'all with another vlog. We are on the way to a car meet. We're on the way to a car meet. We stop at the gas station getting gas with the guys. Oh my god, I just got a new camera, as y'all can see. I do not know how to act, bro. I got a Sony A7. Yeah, Sony A7. This shit look crazy, I ain't gonna lie, bro. Oh my god. Ooh. That nigga taking the shit.
Stop that shit at 30.
That nigga taking the shit.
That was a minute ago. Huh?
Say who?
Hey, bro, crank your shit up.
Huh?
Crank your shit up. Yo, crank your shit up. Oh shit, he shit lit. Damn. Oh my god, I read that motherfucker, man. Red eye. Oh god. They be so pressure, bro. Let me see, man. Where you at with it? Okay, yeah, he had full tank, bro. With the orange and all that shit, that shit's some pressure. All the details and shit. Detail, man. He got stars too. Oh my god, this shit tight. He got the orange, with the orange, red caliber and shit. Hey, do it. Hey, keys in the car holder, bro.
Alright, bet.
Alright. They ride, bro.
$10, put out
These niggas pretending and shit. What though?
Yeah, cause I put like 30 and 10, so 40.
Alright. What you at? You got a full tank?
Huh?
You got a full tank?
Full tank?
Yeah.
What you mean?
I'm saying like your gas. Like what you at right now?
Oh yeah, full tank.
God. Huh?
Shut the block.
Bro, this bitch is so tough, bro. Oh my god. Grab your shit real quick.
Huh?
Grab your shit real quick. God, yo, what the fuck? This nigga shit. Pressure! Bro, we just got to the bit, bro. At 12. Oh, the bullshitting, man. Won't let that nigga get my content, bro. This shit low-key packed, though. I ain't gonna cap, bro. We in the A with it, man. Just coming with y'all with another vlog. This gonna be like a little car meet vlog. You know what I'm saying? What the fuck? Nigga about to shoot himself in the meat, bro. Come on, bro. Yeah, man. Just a little slight vlog with y'all.
You need daddy?
Niggas out need daddy. Watch out, bro. Gotta make sure my son's straight. Boy, them lights look tough. I ain't gonna lie. Yeah.
Hey, that nigga fucking ran out. That nigga driving crazy. Nigga, he about to crash like 3 times.
He almost hit the C. Bro, you almost hit. Bro, yo, almost hit that nigga with a C8, bro, on the highway.
Huh?
That nigga with a C8.
What happened?
You almost hit that nigga, bro.
Fuck that nigga. Slow ass shit.
And then you pull out and put out other nigga too.
Nah, I'll get through that though.
That shit was crazy. I ain't gonna cap, bro.
This Nigga, not real. I've never seen you on this side of town, bro.
Yeah.
Are you never on this side of town? Yeah, you
Damn! Oh shit! Bro. Nigga, this shit smell like straight tires, bro. Oh my god, this shit lit, bro. I ain't gonna cap. How you feeling, bro?
feeling good, man.
Nigga, you gonna have to get new tires, man. Nigga, soon we get back. You got some at the crib?
I got 2 new ones at the crib, man.
Shit, there you go, bro. This shit, oh my god, bro. These niggas going crazy with this shit. Oh shit, what the fuck? Everybody over there. Alright, bro. I want you to hold the camera still. Woo! What the? Yo! Woo! What the fuck? That Lexus clean as fuck, I ain't gonna lie. Next to the Mustang. Damn! Shit, my mic cut off and shit. Wow, that nigga. Yeah, that shit.
Turn your traction off.
God damn, man. Slide out there. Oh, what the fuck? Oh shit, what the fuck? Slide your shit, bro.
Laugh, nigga. Huh?
Slide your shit, bro.
The fuck? Anyway, nigga, the fuck?
One time, bro. You wanna slide your shit one time, bro? Slide your shit one time.
Hell no, let me fuck though, nigga.
Hell nah, I ain't finna be the corporate nigga.
Oh god, it's my turn. I got that bitch 12 coming, nigga.
Yo, look, nigga.
Oh god, I don't even want.
Who next, bro? Oh shit. Nigga, that nigga shit so tough, bro. My ass sweet, bro. But this shit, bro. Kosa, slide your shit, bro. Slide your shit, bro. Bro, just one time.
No, right.
I nigga had a test on his slide.
I don't know how to put that Tesla slide.
I nigga need that shit too. That shit would have been bad. That shit would have been hard, I ain't gonna lie. He just parking, bro.
Slide those shit, bro.
I'll throw me some keys, I got some.
Nigga, that was close. What the fuck? Oh, shit. Nigga, that was close, bro. What the fuck?
Bro, hell nah, bro. Cause if I hit a nigga, he paying for my shit. Whoever nigga I hit that fuck up my quarter panel nigga paying for my shit, bro.
What the fuck? Nah, that nigga just did that shit, boy. Bro, that shit was close as fuck. Nigga, I'm scared to go over there, nigga. Hell nah, nigga. That's a what?
Nigga, what the fuck? That nigga back up.
Yeah, nigga. I touched that nigga back, bro. I touched that nigga back, I ain't gonna lie. Alright, nigga, we get it. Oh, hell nah, nigga.
Nah, nigga. Hit
Hell
that pole right here. Hit that pole, not me.
hell nah.
Yo, tell that nigga calm down, bro.
Hey, change gears, bro.
Hell nah, nigga. Oh, what the fuck? I think, bro, I ain't finna slide. Oh, that Tesla nigga back, bro. Closer. Closer. Tesla nigga back, bro. Tesla nigga back, bro. What the fuck? Hell nah, bro.
Hell nah, he ain't not turning shit off, but I'm gonna when I first did my shit, my shit was over. That's why I should cool.
That nigga cook, bro. Go ahead, go home, bitch.
Hold the button down.
All it takes is about 5 seconds.
Hey, somebody go check that.
Yeah, he can't slide that shit, bro. That nigga cannot slide that shit, bro. They gonna test that nigga, bro. Oh God, he can't slide that shit. Oh shit! What the fuck? That nigga did that shit, bro. Of course. Come on, bro. Oh God, like what the fuck? Niggas what ain't gonna do, bro? Like they would really do this shit. 12 once again. Shot this bitch out. 12. Why? Why, bro? Let's have fun, man. Of course.